Hey, what's good YouTube? Mike here with Laser Restorations, and in today's video I'll be sharing a recent project where we cleaned up the engine bay and some engine parts from a 1956 Continental Mark II. Big shout out to our customer for letting me take photos and videos of this awesome project. Fun fact on these cars, there were only 3,000 of them produced, and at that time it was the most expensive car made in America. Just a really cool piece of automotive history, and I'm honored to have been a small part in that car's journey. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more cool laser cleaning projects like this one. And if you're interested in laser cleaning for your project, please visit our website in the link below. Alright, enough of this intro. Let's get to the car.